theta equal to 0. If x equal to 3, theta equal to pi by 2. See, limits in the all of listen, limits in the form of minus a to a. So we have two conditions. F of minus x equal to plus of x equal to minus of x. In this case, answer 0. In this case, 2 into 0 to a. So, substitute x equal to minus x. All of you listen. Put x equal to minus x. Minus x whole square is also equal to x square. So, problem not change. Problem ఎక్కడ కూడా చేంజ్ అవ్వలేదు గమనించండి. అంటే that means plus of x repeats. So we apply this formula 2 into 0 to a. First write this formula 2 into integral 0 to 3 9 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Since f of minus x equal to plus of x, f of minus x equal plus of x, substitute this data 2 into 0 to pi by 2 9 minus 9 sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 dx value 3 cos theta d theta. Take 9 common 0 to pi by 2. Take 9 common 9 whole power 3 by 2 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta whole power 3 by 2 3 cos theta d theta. This two cancel. This two cancel. 3 cube into 3 total 3 power 4. 3 cube into 3 power 4 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos cube into cos power 4 theta 2 into 81 3 power 4 value 81 I4 so apply reduction formula 3 by 4 n minus n minus 1 by n 1 by 2 into pi by 2 1 by 2 into pi by 2 2 cancel 243 pi 243 pi by 0 to pi x cube 25 minus x square whole power 7 by 2 whole power 7 by 2. Write the hint x equal to 5 sin theta. Third problem, 0 to 1 x power 7 by 2 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2 dx. All of you listen. 1 minus x. We want in this place 1 minus sin square theta or 1 minus cos square theta. So put x equal to sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Square cancel. Cos power 5. What is the value of dx? Derivative of the power function 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. X value 0, theta value 0, x value 1, theta value pi by 2. After substitution of this data, we get IMN formula. We get IMN form. X square 5 minus x whole power 7 by 2 dx. Put x equal to root 5 sin square theta. Put x equal to 5 sin square theta. Take 5 common. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Square 2 cancel. We get the cos power 7 in this place. All are same. Substitutions. X equal sin square theta. X equal 5 sin square theta. We get IMN form. By x sin power 5x cos power 6x dx. See, objective అయినా IP అని ఇలానే చేస్తాం. There is no shortcut for this problem. Listen. Suppose there is a, all of you listen. Suppose there is no x. We write 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x cos power 6x I m n. IMN formula. M value 5, n value 6. ఇక్కడ x లేకపోయినట్లయితే డైరెక్ట్గా 0 to pi by 2 రాసుకొని IMN ఫార్మ్ అప్లై చేసేవాళ్ళు. మరి అక్కడ ఫస్ట్ x ఉంది. ఇక్కడ x ఫస్ట్ remove that x. After that one, this is the procedure. After eliminating x, we follow this procedure. How to remove this x? Let it be I. Replace x with upper limit minus x. Write down. I equal to integral 0 to pi x into sin power 5x cos power 6x dx. Second step, 0 to pi pi minus x, pi minus x, cos power 6, pi minus x, 0 to pi, pi minus x, sin 180 minus x, plus sin x, plus sin x, whole power 5, cos 180 minus x, cos 180 minus x, minus cos x, it belongs to Q2, minus cos x, whole power 6 dx, minus power any even number equal to plus. So split into two parts. First part with pi, second part with x. 0 to pi, pi, sin power 5x, cos power 6x dx. First part with pi, second part with x. 0 to pi, x, sin power 5x, cos power 6x dx. See, same problem repeated in this place. X, sin power 5, cos power 6. Same problem repeated in this place. Write it as I. So I equal to pi into 0 to pi, sin power 5x, cos power 6x dx, minus I plus I plus I equal to pi into 2 into 0 to pi by 2. Pi becomes 2 pi by 2. Pi becomes 2 pi by 2. Then you write 2. Sin power 5x, cos power 6x. Since f of pi minus x equal to plus fx, f of pi minus x equal plus f of x, 2 pi I 5 6, 2I equal to 2 pi I 5 6, 2 cancel, pi into 4 by 11 m minus 1 by m plus n formula, IMN formula, 2 by 9. నిన్న చెప్పాను IMN వస్తే 2 స్టెప్స్. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ 1 by వచ్చినా ఆపేయండి, 2 by అని వచ్చినా ఆపేయమని చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు మనం అక్కడ I0n కానీ I1n కానీ రాయాలి. ఏది రాయాలి? డిపెండ్ ఆన్ m వాల్యూ అని చెప్పాను. డిపెండ్ ఆన్ m వాల్యూ 5, m value 5, 3, 1. So I 1 6, I1n. So final step, pi into 4 by 11, 2 by 9, I1n. Just add two numbers. Just add two numbers. Take I. Substitute upper limit minus x. Upper limit upper limit minus x, 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x. So this is minus sin x power 6. This is plus cos x, fourth quadrant, cos value plus, sin value minus. 2 pi into sin power 6x cos power 5x sin power 6x cos power 5. Write I equal to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sin power 6x cos power 5x dx minus I plus I 2I equal to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi sin power 6x cos power 5x dx. F of x equal to sin power 6x cos power upper limit minus x upper limit minus x upper limit minus x plus cos x whole power 5. Say with a plus symbol. I equal to pi into 2 into sin power 6x cos power x f cos power 5x upper limit minus x pi minus x belongs to Q2. In Q2 sin positive cos negative plus sin x minus sin power 6x cos power 5x to 2 pi into 0 2 pi I value 2 pi into 0